Welcome. In this section we will see building recommender system. A recommender system gathers relations between people and things in order to propose the information a user wants. We all heard about machine learning and recommendation engines in big business e-commerce. For quite some time, massive e-commerce business like Netflix, Amazon and eBay have been leveraging the power of data science to improve customer service and boost sales. Where once this technology was cost prohibitive to all, but with the major players, recently things have changed. There are three main classes of recommendation system. Those are: first one, collaborative filtering system. Collaborative system generate recommendations based on crowdsourced input. They recommend items based on user behavior and similarities between the user. An example is Google PageRank, which recommends similar web pages based on a web page's backlinks. The second one is content-based filtering system. The content-based system generates recommendations based on items and similarities between them. Like Pandora uses content-based filtering to make its music recommendations. Third one, hybrid recommendation system. Hybrid recommendation system combine both collaborative and content-based approach. They help improve recommendations that are derived from sparse datasets. Netflix is a prime example of a hybrid recommender. So we have discussed three recommendation system. One is collaborative filtering system. I have taken the example like Google PageRank, where the backlinks are the main source. Then the second, content-based system, where Pandora suggests audio depending on the content-based filtering. And third one, hybrid recommendation system, which is combination of both, that is collaborative and content-based filtering. The best example for it I mentioned is Netflix. So in this section we will discuss building a k-nearest neighbors classifier and building a MOI recommendation system and many more. That's it in this video on the introduction of building recommender system. Thank you for watching this video.